Hello guys, so today we're gonna see how can upload an image into our Firebase through an Flutter application. So the first thing that we have to do is go to Android, then app, then build.gradle. Then first we have to add one dependency over here, which is this one, implementation com.firebase storage 19.1.1. Please note that we have to set up Firebase storage. Okay, so the second thing that we have to do is we'll go to pubsec.yml and we have to add some really important dependencies which will help into getting that packages over there to upload that image. The first one is image picker, which helps us to pick an image from somewhere, and then Firebase storage. The other thing that we need over here is first one is provider and Cupertino icons. Okay, then let's go to upload images. We'll go to profile.art. Okay, so over here first we have to create two variables. The first one is string image link, which will store the link of the image that we upload, and the other one is file image, which will temporarily store the image into this variable. Okay, we must go and do it. Okay, so guys, wherever you want to upload this image, so first what we're gonna do is first we'll check if that link is already null. Since I have already connected this to my database, my user database, so now first I'll check if that image link is null. If that image link is not null, then it's gonna display my image link over here, and it's dynamic and I can change it anytime I want, anytime the user wants. If the image link is null, then it's temporarily gonna show a person's icon over there in a blue box. We can also change the color by adding color to this circle avatar. Okay, next we'll create a flat button to do this function. Okay, so first we are gonna add text to this flat button, which is added as change image. Then what you have to do is on pressed, we'll add one function on pressed. Since it contains await, so we have to add asynchronous into this on pressed function. So we are gonna add our file that we pick from our gallery. So we can see over here sources image source.gallery. So we are temporarily gonna store that file into our image variable. Then we're gonna create Firebase storage variable. It's like we're creating one instance to our Firebase storage. Then we're gonna create a reference to our Firebase storage. So this is our reference. Then what we are gonna do is we'll to that reference we'll add the path to which we have to add our picture. So I created pictures folder into it, into a picture folder reference, and then we can name it anything. It can be static or dynamic, it's all upon you. Since I'm uploading it for user, so I have linked it to user email ID, so it's variable. Okay, also we can change it. If you're gonna keep it static, the image name will be always same for each and every user, so it's like kind of difficult to, yeah. After that we are gonna upload our file into that folder reference. So what we have to do is put file that image dot on complete. It's gonna go to storage task. It's gonna get that downloadable link or viewable link from Firebase storage. So what we're gonna do is link await storage task dot reference dot get downloadable URL. Okay, so we are gonna get the downloadable URL into this link variable over here. As soon as the picture gets uploaded to the Firebase storage, it's gonna print uploaded into our console, and we can store this link into image link, which the variable which we have created above. So okay, that's it guys. Now you can add this anywhere you want. Thank you so much.